In the stock market, it's been a week of whiplash and wild swings, with Wall Street at the intersection of concern about COVID, inflation, a beleaguered and stretched supply chain, and a potential invasion of Ukraine. Now the Federal Reserve preparing to tame inflation, likely by rolling out a series of interest rate hikes, as many as 3 or 4 this year.
Hopefully what will happen is a combination of getting past this latest wave of the virus, getting people back to work, and reducing the supply bottlenecks, along with somewhat tighter Federal Reserve interest rate policy, should act to bring inflation down over time.
That inflation is hitting the hardest on Main Street as the price of food, clothing, cars, and housing continues to climb. One of the biggest drivers of the higher prices we're all paying, disruptions at every level of the supply chain, from Chinese manufacturing plants to gridlocked ports to U.S. store shelves.
Whether it's the air transportation to bring goods in, the cost of ocean freight carriers, whether it's truck drivers or it's distribution center workers, everything is costing more.
Along with higher prices, longer wait times. Lauren Logan and Charlie Birnbaum operate stores for expecting parents on opposite sides of the country. At Pish Posh Baby in New Jersey, they've tried to adapt.
We've completely rehauled their website, added features that would help, when we're out of stock for an item, that customer can be notified when an item comes back in stock.
While at Juvenile Shop in California, new moms are having to plan early.
Usually we would tell them to come in their second trimester, and now we need to tell them you need to be coming in your 12th week of pregnancy, 15th week of pregnancy.
Yeah, just a little extra stress during what can already be a pretty stressful time. Back to the stock market. While we have seen some pretty big dips and swings over the last few weeks, context here is important. The last couple of weeks really are just a snapshot. Stocks are still about 30% higher than they were at the high point before the pandemic. Savannah.
All right, Tom, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.